Yes, yeah, woo, there it is. There it is, folks. Our first bass using that trout worm. Very nice. Not very big, but still. Caught ourselves a bass on a trout worm. There it is, folks. Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Blades and Beat. Out here at Center Green. We spent a good hour and a half out there at the Upground Reservoir. Caught us only a couple bluegills. Still haven't caught me a trout yet. Tried everything. Hopefully we can do better out here. See what we can do. Talk to you later. So if you guys are looking for some really unique and original, all custom designed tees, anything from your fishing, patriotic, Christian based, and just funny t-shirts like this, all designed by me or my wife, come check it out at lumenpath.net. And thank you very much, guys, for all your support. The setup that I have today is a little bit different. Figured I'd try drop shotting today. I have me a 1/4 ounce bank sinker with a small number 6 octopus hook. And since we still have a worm on there, let's give it a shot and hopefully we can catch us something, because so far it's been very quiet. There we go. Ha! Finally caught us something. Ooh, that is a nice looking bluegill. Look at the colors on this, folks. And it's a decent size too. It's probably about 7 inches. That's not a bad size, that's for sure. There we go, folks. First catch out here at Center Green. We'll just continue using this worm until there's nothing left of it. There we go. Woo! Putting up a good fight for a little fish. There we go. Not too shabby. This one's a little bit bigger. Not too shabby. Well, since we used the worm, let's try using some trout lures or trout worms. After all, I didn't catch a trout out there, but maybe I may be able to catch something else with it. This is what I ordered, folks. This is Peter's custom trout worms. I ordered me the pink and chartreuse and give it a shot with the trout worms. See if we can catch anything with that. So basically, this is what they look like. They look just like the mouse tail. And since we did very well with the mouse tail, let's try this out. So far, I'm not getting any more action. See if I have better luck using the float than the drop shot. The setup I have, I'll be using the same number 6 octopus hook, one split shot, and a clear slip bobber. See if we have better luck using the trout worms on a float than we do on the drop shot. There we go. See if we can catch us another one. Ooh, there it is, folks. There it is. Something's on the mouse tail. There we go. Ha ha ha. Caught us a bluegill on the mouse tail, folks. That's funny. About a 6-inch bluegill. Not a bad size. First catch on the mouse tail. Well, and the first catch on that particular mouse tail. And it seems like the mouse tail, I'm having more action on a mouse tail when it's on a float than on a drop shot. Yes, yeah, woo, there it is. Our first bass using that trout worm. Very nice. Not very big, but still. Caught ourselves a bass on a trout worm. There it is, folks. Not too shabby. Caught a bluegill and a small bass, probably about a 1/4 pound bass on the trout worm. There we go, folks. Not too shabby. About maybe a 10 or 11 inch 1/4 pound bass. There it is, a little 1/4 pounder. But so far it's not a bad day. Did manage to catch 2 bluegills on worms using the drop shot. Caught me a bluegill and a bass on this green and pink trout worm. This time around, let's go with the one lure that I know works. There it is, folks. Berkley Gulp Minnow. Caught a lot of fish using this little 2-inch gulp minnow. So we'll give it a shot. I found the 2-inch one actually works the best for me anyway. I tried the 3-inch, I still have some, and I have the 2.5 inch, but it seems like the 2-inch one works the best, so we'll give it a shot. There we go. Ha ha! Nice. So there it is. Another bass using the Berkley Gulp Minnow. There we go, folks. About an 11-inch bass. Not too shabby. Caught him on the Berkley Gulp Minnow. Probably about a good 1/4 pound or so. Not too shabby. Yes. Oh. Nope, not yet. Ooh, yeah. Wow. There we go. There it is, folks. Our second bass caught on the Gulp Minnow. This one has a good weight too. Wow, not too shabby, folks. Look at that. Usually about a pound. Biggest one today. There it is, folks. Look at that. Not too shabby. Oh, no. This one's more like a 1/2 pounder. Still bigger and heavier than the first one that we caught using the Gulp Minnow. Well, try it again with a Gulp Minnow here. See how many more we can catch. There we go, folks. Think something might be on it. Yes, there we go. Ooh. Yeah, look at that, folks. And this one is definitely the heaviest one that we caught so far. This one is at least about 1/2 pound. Good size bass. There we go, folks. So far, our biggest one for today. About a 1/2 pound bass. Here we go. Let's try this. I know it's getting all torn up, but it did catch us a lot of fish earlier. See if we can catch us one more. There we go, folks. See if we can catch us one more on the Gulp Minnow. And oh, whoa, ha! I caught something. There it is, folks. Our 6th bass of the day. Little guy, probably the smallest one that we caught for today. But still not bad, folks. There we go, folks. Little, about 9-inch bass. I didn't even realize I had anything on it. Oops. Wow, that's been a very good day for us, folks. Caught us quite a few bluegills and 6 bass. 1 caught on the trout worm, and 5 was caught using the Berkley Gulp Minnow. You know, if you guys are just getting started in fishing, or just returning like I am, give it a shot. It's been working out very well for me. Anyway, I'll be taking off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please smash that like and consider subscribing, folks, for some more fishing, knives, and kit videos. Anyway, I'll be taking off. You guys take care. Talk to you later.